Good morning, students. Today in mathematics, we shall continue with exercise 3.4. Yesterday, we have completed question number 1 to 7. Okay, now today we are going to start with question number 8. Previously, I have already informed you before doing this exercise, you need to understand, recap all the properties of division, okay, because that will be very much helpful in this exercise. Without properties of division, you will not be able to solve these questions. Okay, so properties of division is very much important. Now look at question number 8. In a bookstore there are 16,01,985 books. The books are kept in almiras. Each almira has a capacity of holding 803 books. How many almiras are required to keep the books? It means you know the capacity of each almira. The capacity of each almira is 803 and the total book is what? 16,01,985 books. So here we will solve the question like this. So today's date is 22/6/2020. Okay. Exercise 3.4, question number 8. Solution. Okay. Now, in a bookstore there are this much of books. So what we will write? Number of books in the bookstore. How much? 16 lakh 1,985 books. Okay, 16,01,985 books. Now we know the capacity of each almirah is, how many books can it hold? 803 books. 803 books. Number of almirah required. Leave this space blank. To get this, we will be doing the division. 16,01,985 divided by 803. So simple thing is what? Create a space for rough work. Okay. Check first 3 digit. Check whether this is divisible by 803. So 160 is really not divisible by 803. So take 1601. So 803 into 2 is 1606, which is greater than 1601. So take ones are 803. Subtract it. 11 minus 3 is what? 8. What is left here? 9. 9 minus 0 is 9. What is left here? 5. 5 minus 8 is not possible. 15 minus 8 is 7. 798. Now, what comes down? 9. 7,989. We need to check whether this is there in 800 series table or not. So, this is a bigger number. So, we'll multiply it by 9. 9 3s are 27. 2 here. 9 8 just 72. So, right, 9s are 7 2 2 7. Otherwise, when you will multiply 803 by 10, you'll get 8030, which is greater than this number. So take 9. 9s are 7 2 2 7. Okay, subtract it. 2 6 7. Okay, what comes down? 8. 7 6 2 8. 7 6 2 8 is again a greater number than 7227. So take again 9s are 7227. Okay. Now once again check. 9 minus 7 is 2. 8 minus 6 2 is 6. 9 minus 2 is 7. Correct. Okay. So 1 0 4 0. What comes down? 5. 4015. Now multiply 803 by 4. 8 j 32. 4 9 j, sorry, 8 5 j 40. So we can multiply it with 5. 5 3s are 15. 1 here. 5 1. 8 5 j 40. 4015 is the exact multiplication what we were searching about. So 803 into 5 equals to 4015. Subtract it, you'll get 0. So here the quotient is what? 1995, and the remainder is what? 0. So number of almirah required is 1995. Therefore 1995, that is 1995 almirah required to store 16,01,985 books. Done this question. Okay, now look at another question. Question number 9. Question number 9. What is there in this question? 3,92,600 apples are packed equally in Itna boxes. How many apples are there in each box? It is similar to question number 8. You can easily do. Question number 10. The cost of production of a TV set is itna. The cost of production means for making a TV, 1,536 rupees is required. A company spent 81,54,624 on the production of TV sets in 1 year. This much of money is invested by the company. How many TV sets are produced? So what you can do? You can divide this by this. Okay, so this is also the simple division that you have done in question number 8. Similar question. Yes, in the next question, question number 11. the product of two number is itna. If one of the number is itna, find the other. So product of, right, product of equals to 23,17,756. 23,17,756. Okay, one number, or you can write first number is 826. Other number equals to 2317756 divided by 826. We need to divide it to get this answer. Okay, so here again we go with the division, create a rough space. 23,17,756, that is 23,17,756 divided by 826. So take, so it is a 4-digit number. So 826 into 3 multiplied by 3, you will get 3 6 are 18, 3 2 6 7, 3 8 24. 2478 is greater than 2317, so take 826 into 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 to 4 5, 2 8 are 16. So 1652 is smaller than this number, so take 2s are 1652. Okay, subtract it. 7 minus 2 is 5. Here it is 11. 11 minus 5 is 6. What is left here? 2. 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. What comes? 0. What comes down now? 7. So the value is 6657. Okay. Now 6657. To get this, let's multiply it by 800. 826 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 8. Okay, 8 6 are 48, 8 to the 16, 16 and 4 20, 8 is 64 and 2 66, 6608, and here it is 6657. So we can take this number. 8 are 6608. Subtract it. 17 minus 8 is 9. What is left? 4 0 0. What comes down? 5. 495 is a 3-digit number which is smaller than 826. So take zeros are 0. Okay, subtract it. 9 495. What comes down? 6. 4956. To get this 4956, we have to check whether it is multiplied by sum of the number. 826 into 6. Let's try. 6 6 are 36. 3 3 6 2 is 12, 13 14 15, 1 6 is 48, 149. So here 4956 is similar to 4956. So exactly we have got the multiplication by 6. So take 6 jar 4956. Okay, now subtract 0 0 0 0. So here we have got the quotient as 2806 and the remainder as 0. Okay, so here the product of two number you have already written. Product of two number you have already written. This number, the first number is this. To get the second number, we will be dividing the product by the first number. We will get the second number. Therefore the other, or we can write second number is 2806. Clear? So this question is also clear to you. Okay. Now, previously I told you have to do question number 9 and 10 as homework. That is, you have to practice these questions. Question number 11 is done by me here. Okay. Now look at question number 12. Question number 12. In the months of March, April, May and June, the total sale of a milk depot was 1,49,450 liters. How much milk does it sell every day? It's very simple question. How many months are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 months. So total sale is this. So divided by 4, you'll get the answer. Okay, sorry. You have to find out how much milk does it sell every day. Okay. So you need to find the days in these 4 months, total number of days in these 4 months. Okay. I'll try this question for you. Okay. Now in question number 12. In the months of March, April, May and June, the total sale of milk depot was 1,49,450 liters. So we will be writing total sale of milk depot equals to 1,49,450 liters. Okay. Now there, how many months are there? March, April, May, June. There are 4 months. So we will find number of days in March, April, May and June. March, April, May and June. So March has how many months? 31. Sorry, March has how many days? 31. April 30. January, February, March, April, May. May is 31. June is 30. 31, 30. March 31, April 30, May 31, June 30. 30, 31, 30, 31, 30. So add all these. Add all these. 0, 0, 2, 3, 4, 12. 122 days. So here we have got number of days in March, April, May and June is 122 days. Why we are finding number of days in all the months? Because the question is asking how much milk does it sell every day. So we have to find liter of milk or the capacity of the milk sold by the milk depot in a day. Okay. Now capacity of milk sold every day equals to 1,49,450 divided by 122. Let's divide it here. Let's divide it here. 1,49,450 by 122. Here 122 is a 3-digit number, so take first 3 digit 149. Rough part, create a rough part. 122 ones are 122. Subtract it. 9 minus 2 is 7. 4 minus 2 is 2. 0. 4. 122 into 2 is 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, 2 into 2, 244. 2s are 244. 0, 3, what comes down? 5. 305. 122 into 3, let's check it. 3 to the 6, 3 to the 6, 3 into 366 is greater than this number, so we again use this. 2s are 244. Okay, so 110 minus 4 is 6. 0, what comes down? 0. 610. 122 into 5 will try. Okay, 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 1, 5 6, 600. 5s are 610. So we have got quotient as 1225, remainder as 0. So here capacity of milk sold every day is 1225 liters. 1225 liters. Therefore, milk sold by milk depot every day was 1225 liters. Okay. Now question number 13. Look at question number 13. A fruit seller bought 14,90,825 bananas. If 103 bananas were found rotten, and the remaining were packed in 529 baskets, find the number of bananas in each basket. So what you will do in this question, first number of bananas bought by the fruit seller, this much. Number of rotten bananas, this much. Therefore number of good bananas you can write. Okay, so 14,90,825 minus 103. You have to subtract this from this, then divide it by this. You'll get the number or the answer. Okay. Now here, question number 14. Replace star by a suitable digit in the following. You just try this question by yourself. This is very simple. You have done this kind of question in class 4th also. So there is nothing to explain this. So question number 13 and 14 you have to do as homework. Okay, so here homework, question number 13 and 14. If you find any confusion, you can message me. I'll explain you the answer also. Okay, till then, bye bye.